the megalodon. The megalodon lived several million years ago and is thought to have been up to 35 meters long. Paleontologists tell us that this giant shark died out about 1.6 million years ago. However, giant sharks are claimed to exist around the Hawaiian Islands, where they're called nihuo. According to cryptozoologist George Eberhardt, the nihuo is over 10 meters long, with a short neck, a giant dorsal fin, and a whale-like tail. The existence of a giant shark is supported by several accounts. In 1967, off the coast of Cuba, a yacht and its crew went missing. It was later found, with the remains of the body of its captain and with giant tooth marks on its hull. And in 1980, the crew of the Venezuelan ship Venus, while hunting whales, caught a glimpse of a giant shark. In January 2016, a creature resembling a shark over 8 meters long was spotted near Adelaide in Australia. Swimmers saw it about 100 meters from the beach, which was immediately closed. A helicopter flew over the scene, where the crew saw the terrifying creature with their own eyes. But eyewitness accounts are not the only evidence. Many researchers also point to the regularly occurring mutilated bodies of whales. Are they proof that in the depths of the ocean there lives a giant prehistoric predator? Mysterious creatures and beings. There are still places on Earth that haven't been explored or even touched by humans. And until they are, we can never truly know whether or not these mysterious creatures are fiction or fact.